This is natural teeth. Doctor pulled out the tooth. So we're trying to mimic with the other Jason teeth. This is incredible information from the doctors. And the patient really don't want to go implant possibly, and also they don't have any bone. So finally we finished the signature case. Anyway, so now all finish it. Alright, thanks for watching my video. This is actually part 2. Doctor sent to us an immediate shot, which is very nice. You can take a look at it. Previous video we fabricated is more detail about the laboratory process, how we fabricated to the 4-unit case with the pink tissue aesthetics. It's pretty tough, and the patient really don't want to go implant possibly, and also they don't have any bone. So many factors. So these videos I would like to share with you guys how can I mimic with the natural teeth pink tissue color to matching the Jason teeth. I know a little size which is immediate shot, and not only that, I wish doctors up there send me the edge the bite, then I can see which is we fabricate lower teeth as well, but you don't see much, but you can see is my productions fabrication, that one. Anyway, this is a little complicated. It's not usual, which is we do so many unusual cases. It's not like single crown. We do of course, but we made difficult cases. We educate the technicians, and not only that, we can talk to the dentist. And we work with so many dentists from the 44 over different states, and then they send to cases here, and then we communicated with even though 2,000 miles away, and then make the patients happy. So that case is very unique. That's why I choose from the doctor took it out from the patient's mouth, and then you see the natural teeth, which is unique. And then we all the time put it in the water because the prevent dehydrated. Because whenever you took out the tooth from the patient's mouth without water, you will get white color. Okay, so white solid color. So we all the times put it into water, then we just keep the moisture. Then I can see the natural dentin, enamel, characteristic, textures, everything. Anyway, this video, so we make it short but sweet. But like I said, this kind of part 2. So you could take a look at the other video, you can see more. But fortunately, doctor gave us this very short clips, nice video from New Jersey. That's why I would like to share with you. Anyway, thanks for watching my videos and supporting everything. Anyway, more great educational, personal talking, you can go to Patreon implant.com, which is see below, /Kahng, which is my name. You can join it with the $25 a month. You will get a lot of benefit from education from me. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.